let's just go in Tops Kick and we're gonna do some packs. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully it's a sound thing, you know. I actually had more coins than this. I had like a 400 something coins, but I just wasted it on packs, and guess who I got? Zlatan, Fellaini, Pogba, Mendy. I have like all these good cards. Like I have a lot of good cards. Like they're like sold out and like everything. So, oopsies. Let's just go open some packs. You know, why not? Let's go for some free packs. Free packs, you know. You gotta open the freebies, right? Wait. You gotta open the freebies. We just got De Gea. Oh my god. Oh god. Wait, let's look at the pack. Let's look at the pack. Okay, I don't know what I did, but I just got De Gea and you guys saw it. So yeah. Oh, this takes so long. You guys should probably agree. And before, I will say this at the end again. Come trade some cards with me. And my name is Wowhaha. Because like, I didn't know what to make a name of. Let's go for Premier League. Let's go for this one. This one looks cool. So, and please subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna put this on my gaming channel. So yeah, it's a new one. Okay. Sanchez! Wait, what? Duplicate Sanchez? Oh, sorry. Lol. Yeah, they said lol over there. Oh, got to go. I don't care. Mike. Okay. Coutinho. Not bad. It's not a bad pack. Let's do another one. Another one. Another one. Right? You gotta admit, you gotta do two of these. Another one. Oh, Ramsey. Barry. Come on. Oh. Let's try this one. It's 10K, guys. 10,000 coins. I mean, I don't know what. Yeah, I think it's 10,000. There's a million coin back. Like, there's no way I'm ever gonna do that. Oh, Ivanovic. I got a gold. It's a gold. Matip. Oh, it's transferred Matip. These guys. Let's go. And then we'll go Bundesliga and La Liga and Champions League. Did you guys see the Man City against Man U last night? I saw it. Stones. What? What? That's a glitch. This guy. Scared. Ooh, man. Okay. Let's go Bundesliga. Let's go this one. Bundesliga and Hessen Derby pack. Ooh, what's that? Let's see what we get, guys. Frank Ribery, Manuel Neuer. Okay. Huntelaar. Oh my God, Marc Bartra, the new Dortmund player from Barca. Okay, that was a sick pack, guys. You gotta admit that. Oh my God, look at that Neuer. It looks sick. We have to open another one. Don't you agree, guys? That was just like a sick pack. You really love fantasy. Whoop. Let me love you. Just kidding, guys. Come on. This guy. Volland. I think Raphael. Come on. Oh, that was just like a bad pack. I just opened another one because YOLO Flolo. Right. Then we're gonna open Champions League and then we're just gonna like end this video. Oh my God, truly. The transfer Dortmund player from Wolfsburg. Oh, new Wolfsburg player, guys. Philip Lahm. That was a good pack. We'll do one more. One more, guys. One more. We gotta do one more, right? Oh, Martinez. Okay, we'll do one last one. I promise you guys, it's the last one. That was just like sick. Like this derby thing. This derby pack is like really good. Draxler. Come on. Okay. Let's open a 10K1. And these are the last Dortmund. Dortmund, yeah. These are the last Dortmund packs. Just kidding. These are the last Bundesliga packs. Come on. Oh. Oh. I already have that guy. Alaba. David. One more. I know I didn't open that many BPL packs because, like, I didn't really get that much good BPL packs. So don't blame me. Oh my god. We just got Marco flipping Royce. My favorite Bundesliga player. Oh my god. Look at him. That just looks sick. Like, oh, here it is. Ribery again? Naldo. Transfer Naldo. Sick. This guy is glitching. Oh, Hector. Okay, guys. For some reason, they don't have La Liga. Let's go Champions League. Let's go this one. YOLO. Come on, Ronaldo, Messi. That'd be nice. Or anyone. I don't really care. Like any Real, Barca, and the other Real. I'm just like YOLO. Oh yeah, this is Champions League, so I can get anyone. Oh. Wait, what? Did you just see that? How many guys are we getting from them? Benzema! Kareem Benzema! Jeez. Okay, we'll do one more. Two more. We'll try to do two more. Because I'm sick. Right? Gotta agree with that. Come on, Champions League. Do me good. Okay, this guy. Oh, Casillas. He used to be so good. Oh, Modric. Sick. Look, Aguero. Bale! You got Casillas. Okay, we'll open one more. I just got Bale, guys. Come on, what is it now? Messi? Oh god, guys. That's all for today. And my Wi-Fi just went off. I can't record anymore. Bye, guys. Peace. Subscribe and like the video.